I see Daddy. Daddy's all wet.
Oh, lightning.
I caught you by your neck.
Where's Kyle?
He's still up there with Donovan and Blaine.
Oh.
Where's Kyle? Not you, brother. Your brother. Let me check. Oh, he's right there. I see him right there.
I see Kyle. He's like the last one to leave all the time.
You mean Kyle Murphy?
Wonder.
Kyle!
Oh.
Your brother's okay. He's with your daddy. I see Kyle.
What's up, Chris?
And I see you guys' dad. I feel like moving. And Donovan.
I'm gonna break the cup holder. Look at Kyle. He's right. I stepped on your foot.
There's Kyle. Told you. There he is. He's your little brother. Or big brother.
I like the
You guys got
really? You're gonna sit on it. Whoa! Did you see that lightning?
Uh-huh.
Oh, Kyle fell. Kyle fell.
Come on out, bud.
Hi, Kyle. Why?
Because I gotta take you to home and it's home. You can't, sweetie, not today. Tomorrow, your mom's gonna drop you off at church, and I'll take you home. But maybe we'll play tomorrow after church a little bit. I'll see. I gotta see what I'm playing. The big blue one.
Okay. It's starting to rain.